flapped in my stomach like this and like
That.
that. So it flapped and it hurt. And I did that. I threw up. So I swallowed the
Angry bird.
I swallowed the bird.
No, that's Matilda. That is Matilda.
Matilda, I swallowed Matilda. To swallow the bat that flapped in my stomach like this and like that.
I will go
Then
Batman.
I swallowed the cat. I swallowed the cat that swallowed the Matilda. I swallowed Matilda that swallowed the that flapped in my stomach like this and